Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a sentence completion quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. The officials charged the secretary with gross dash of duty. The correct option is D. Negligence. Question 2. All the employees of the firm are dashed to a fortnight's holiday. The correct option is B. Entitled. Question 3. The plant had been growing steadily, but lately its growth has dash. The correct option is C. Retarded. Question 4. Ambition is one of those dash which are never satisfied. The correct option is A. Passions. Question 5. His parents did not pay dash attention to his studies. The correct option is C. Proper. Question 6. Despite her pleas, the mistress did not dash to her request. The correct option is B. Exceed. Question 7. He could not stay longer because he was not dash to such an environment. The correct option is D. Accustomed. Question 8. Nobody can say what dash him to take such an extreme step. The correct option is D. Prompted. Question 9. The most deserving candidate was not the dash choice of the electorate. The correct option is B. Popular. Question 10. The old man died with a vote of thanks dash to his name. The correct option is C. Bestowed. Question 11. The country needs a government to dash the people together. The correct option is A. Bind. Question 12. His father could not allow him to buy a new car. The correct option is C. Small. Question 13. The architect dash a simple plan on the board. The correct option is B. Sketched. Question 14. Dash each one carefully and you'll soon spot the culprit. The correct option is D. Look. Question 15. The criminal seems to have acted in dash with three others. The correct option is D. Collusion. Question 16. If an inedible ink is used, this will not be dash. The correct option is B. Obliterated. Question 17. The customs officers dash a large quantity of gold from the smugglers. The correct option is C. Confiscated. Question 18. He dashed to answer any questions in the absence of his lawyer. The correct option is A. Refused. Question 19. On account of the dearth of grass, the cattle became dash. The correct option is emaciated. Question 20. The new science teacher dash great respect from his students. The correct option is B. Acquired. Question 21. His dash nature helped him rise so high in life. That's right. The correct option is D. Ambitious. Question 22. The rumbling noise of the stream can be heard at a dash distance. The correct option is B. Considerable. Question 23. The reporter firmly refused to dash personal gains. The correct option is C. Sacrifice. Question 24. Mr. Alex was dashed as the man of the year by the Lions Club. The correct option is A. Acclaimed. Question 25. He could not dash the loss of his dear friend. The correct option is C. Recoup. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.